ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। नानाछिद्रघटोदरस्थितमहा दीपप्रभाभास्वरं ज्ञानं यस्य तु चक्षुरादिकरणद्वारा बहिस्पन्दते। जानामीति तमेव भान्तमनुभात्येतत्समस्तं जगत्। तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। We were in 23rd Vartika. यदा बुद्धिगतैः पुण्यैः प्रेरितेन्द्रियमार्गतः. What is waking state? That is explained that through the punya and papa which are residing in buddhi, antakaranam, prompted by them through indriyas, appropriate bhogas are experienced. If they are ishta, they will give sukham. If they are anishta, they will give dukkham. Such state is called waking state. And one line we just saw that any karma that is performed by this jiva, Chaitanya by itself doesn't perform any karma. And therefore Chaitanya by itself doesn't become Sukhi and Dukhi. Chaitanya by itself is not samsari. Chaitanya with the association of Chidabhasa appearing in Buddhi, Buddhigata Swachidabhasa Dwara. And then there is no Viveka between what is Shuddha Chaitanya and what is Chidabhasa and Buddhi. So due to aviveka, tad avivikta eva karoti na swata iti sthitam. Further, tatha cha krita sarva karma kritotishayo buddhigata eva iti buddhigataihi punyaihi iti uchyate iti. So sarva karma krita atishaya, krutotishaya is, atishaya here means the result of all karmas. Krita sarva karma kritatishayo is one samastapada. All karmas which are performed, the result of that, of all the performance, is also buddhigata, means is also in antakaran only, sukha dukkha. Eva iti buddhigataihi punyaihi. So buddhi alone will have samskaras, buddhi alone will have punya papa, buddhi alone will have vasanas, and buddhi alone will perform karma, buddhi alone will experience the result. Everything is there only. बुद्धिगतैः पुण्यैः इति उच्यते इति। एवं बुद्धिगतैः पुण्यैः प्रेरितानि यानि इंद्रियाणि. Sense organs are also prompted by those punya and papa which are residing in buddhi. Only punya is given, but you see, punya grahanam श्रेष्ठ्याभिप्रायम न तो पाप व्यावृत्त्यर्थम. Punya shabda prayoga is not to show that there is only punya, because it is Sreshtha, only one thing is mentioned, the Kanishtha or Ashrestha, you have to include. So, like if there is some big program in here outside near Gangaji, so somebody will ask, what is this? Some big program is going on. You see, lot of people have come. Oh, very good. Who have come? So you are not going to list 5,000 people's name. You say such and such Mahatma came, such and such Mahatma came. That is enough. 2 people's name you will put. Right? And in the announcement also they will say this only. Who is coming? So like some time back, last year there was something. So they said Swami Avadeshananji from Juna Akhada is coming. Mahamandaleshwar Swami. So one Swami's name they will give. That is called Sraishtya Abhiprayam. Every name they don't have to give. But others are also there. Like that when Punya Gata is given, Buddhi Gata hi Punya hi, Papa also will be there. Na to Papa Vyavrityartham. Akalyana Darshanader api Darshanat. Akalyana Darshanam is also seen. Means Papa is also seen. What I don't like, what I don't want is also experienced. So I may not want to stay away from Shastra. There are people, they want to study Shastra. Sometimes opportunity is not there. They have to work full time. And Guru is not there. Or there is so much money that money management you will have to keep doing. Do this, do that, do. There is no time for studies. They want to study. Sometimes they are so popular in society that people just want to come, they want to be around them, and they have to be in the social circle. They can't study. So, all those things are also there. Tasmat teno bhayam pashyati. Tasmat, this is Chandogya Upanishad. Actually, this similar mantra is there in Brihadaranyaka also. This is Tena Ubhayam Pashyati is for Indriya, sense organ. That Chakshur Indriya Ubhayam Pashyati. Kalyanam Akalyanam in the context. Means what is Ishtam and what is Anishtam. Both it will see. Similarly, Karnendriya, it will hear what is Ishtam, what is Anishtam. Why? Because they all are Papa Vidham. They all are pierced with the sin. The only one which doesn't have this kind of Ishta, Anishta, Priya, Apriya is Prana. So this is for Prana Sraishtyam. इत्यादि श्रुतेश्च. तथा च यथा देश काल निमित्त उद्भव पुण्य पाप प्रेरितेन्द्रिय मार्गैः पूर्वोक्त नाड़िभिः तत्तद इंद्रिय गोलक स्थान प्रसृताभिः देहावकाशात् बहिः प्रसर्पद्भिः इंद्रियैः इति यावत्. Long sentence is there. तथा च and also यथा देश काल निमित्त उद्भव पुण्य पाप प्रेरित इंद्रिय मार्गे. Indriyas are given to all. Vishayas are available in the world. Which Indriya will contact which Vishaya, when, in which place, who will decide? Punya Papa of that Jiva. So, yatha desha kala nimitta udbhava punya papa prerita indriya margehi. in our Mumbai ashram, when last 17th course was going on, there was one boy from Uttarkashi working in computer department, IT. So you imagine now, people living in Uttarkashi, he wanted to work in Mumbai in some company. People living in Mumbai, they want to go to Uttarkashi and study or live there, whatever. So the thing is, in which desha, in which kala, which nimitta is there, that is where your punya papa will take you and give the vishaya anubhava. पुण्य पाप प्रेरित इंद्रिय मार्गैः पूर्वोक्त नाड़िभिः, by those nadis which are mentioned, all these, so all experiences will be through nadis, because some nadis come up to nasika or eyes, nayana, then karnendriya ityadi. So पूर्वोक्त नाड़िभिः तत्तद इंद्रिय गोलक स्थान प्रसदाभिः, up to that indriya golaka sthana they are extended. Dehavakashat bahihi prasarpadbhihi indriyaihi iti yavat. So outside of the space of the body, deha avakasha, avakash actually means the occupancy. That's why akasha is called avakasham dadati iti akasha. So the sense organs, they extend even outside of the space of the body to go out and experience in that sense. Yada ayam chidatma shabdadi vishayan deha bahyan adhyatmikanscha, those vishayas which are outside of the body, adhyatmika, bahyan, adhyatmikan. Bahyan means outside, outer from the body, and adhyatmikan means inside. Shabdadi vishayan ayam chidatma bhungte. Chidatma means, you have to understand, chidatma along with buddhi and chidabhasa. How does he experience? Pratyakshadibhihi pramanaihi anubhavati. Through pratyakshadi pramana he experiences. Tada asya jagaritam, jagrad avastha bhaved ityartha. That is called waking state. So we go here, there and experience different vishayas. Like so many people who live in Rishikesh, but they don't visit this temple here, that temple there, right? Those who come from outside, they go and visit. Similarly, like people who live in Mumbai, they don't go to Siddhivinayak temple or Mahalakshmi temple, but people who go from outside, they say, oh, I want to go to that temple. And some people who live next to Kailash, they don't do any study, etc. But those who live somewhere else, they come here and study. Tathacha uktam. This is the definition, this is the popular one. Indriyai arthopalabdhir jagaritam iti. In Panchadashi Tika, first chapter, this is the definition given. I think the Tikakar is same. The one who has written this Dakshinamurti Vartik Tika is the same one as the one who has given Panchadashi Tika also. But I am not very sure, but I think the name sounds similar. Right? This is Ramakrishna Tika, Ramatirtha. Yeah, that one is not Rama, that is Ramakrishna, I think. This is Ramatirtha. So he is referred to this Tika. Now, Swapna. Swapnavastha praptimaha. What is Swapna? संहृतेष्विन्द्रियेष्वेषु जाग्रत संस्कार जान पुमान मानसान विषयान भुंक्ते मानसा स्वप्नावस्था तदा भवेत संहृतेष्विन्द्रियेष्वेषु जाग्रत संस्कार जान पुमान मानसान विषयान भुंक्ते स्वप्नावस्था तदा भवेत तदा स्वप्नावस्था भवेत. At that point there is dream state. What is that? When samhriteshu indriyeshu eshu, so when these sense organs, they are samhrita, means they are withdrawn, then puman jagrat samskarajan manasan vishayan bhunkte. All these are dvitiya bahuvachan. Born out of the samskaras of the waking state. Jagrat samskarajan. Manasan, mental, means impressions, vishayan. So only samskaras are there, based on that whatever vishayas are born, this Purusha experiences them. When sense organs are withdrawn. So when waking sense organs are withdrawn, with the help of mind he experiences. That is Swapnavastha. And there also Punya Papas are working. Means based on Punya and Papa alone, I will get dream. Sometimes we get horrible dreams and sometimes very beautiful dream. So that is also based on Punya Papa. येषु इंद्रियेषु देहगत नाड़ी छिद्रेषु उपसंहृतेषु सत्सु. In these indriyas which are in the physical body and the subtle body, so the physical body, their nadi chidras, they are closed, they are withdrawn. So the experience cannot happen through the waking body, through the sense organs which are having indriya golaka in waking sharira. Their experiences are not possible because those all are nadi chidras are withdrawn. Upasamhriteshu satsu nadi jala sutrena antakarnena prana sahitena तद्दत् गोलक स्थानेभ्यो अंतर्हितेषु सत्सु इत्यर्थः. So what is meant is the nadi jala sutra, all the net of the nadis, antakarnena prana sahitena, antakarna along with prana, which are extending these nadi jala is extended to इंद्रिय गोलक एक्सेट्रा तत्त गोलक स्थानेभ्यो अंतर्हितेषु सत्सु. सो देर दे आर अंतर्हित, दे आर विड्रॉन इत्यर्थः. यदा पुमान आत्मा मानसान जागृत संस्कार वासित मन परिणाम रूपान विषयान भुंक्ते तदा स्वप्नावस्था भवेत. सो व्हेन दिस इंडिविजुअल, Puman means Atma, Chidatma. So Chidatma means Chidatma plus Chidabhasa plus Buddhi. Manasan Jagrat Sanskar Vasita Mana Parinama Rupan Vishayan. Manasa Vishaya means what? The waking states, impressions, born out of that, all the modifications, they are Vishayas. It is like cheating children. You know how you tell children, oh, I am giving you this, and you give whatever is like that story. One child, Upamanyu, he was given milk. What is milk? They don't have milk at home. So water with the wheat flour or rice flour, something is mixed and he is given. And the child thinks this is milk. So like that we are given swapna vishayas and we think, oh, I am experiencing something. You are experiencing yourself, but nothing else. In the same way in waking also. All vishayas, shabda, sparsha, rupa, rasagandha. This is all me, the Chaitanya. But I don't know. So vishayan bhunkte tada swapnavastha bhavet. That is swapnavastha. Tadapi uktam. And about that it is said, karaneshu upasamhriteshu jagarita samskarajah pratyayah savishayah swapnah. When the karanas are upasamhrita, they are withdrawn, then through jagarita samskara, pratyayas which are born, that's savishaya, along with those vishayas of the samskaras, that state is called swapnavastha. Now, sushupti avastha maha. Sushupti avastha is described. Manasopyupasamharas. Manas. Sushuptiriti kathyate. So, Sushupti definition is only this shloka. But we will do next two also because Tika is together. Tasman maya samachannas sanmatro vartate puman मूढ़ो मत्तोज्ञ इत्येवं मायावेशात् प्रकाशते मनसोऽप्युपसंहारः सुषुप्तिरिति कथ्यते तस्मान्माया समाच्छन्नः सन्मात्रो वर्तते पुमान् मूढ़ो मत्तोज्ञ इत्येवं मायावेशात् प्रकाशते. Manaso api upasamhara. When mind is also withdrawn, that is called sushupti. So when only indriyas are withdrawn but not mind, that is called swapna. When mind is also withdrawn, that is called sushupti. Tasmat maya samachanna sanmatro vartate puman. And therefore what happens at that time? Puman maya samachanna maya samachhadanat sanmatra karanopasamharanato. So what is given in the 6th shloka of Dakshinamurti Stotram, that idea alone is written here in the shloka form. Maya samachanna sanmatra vartate puman. And what is his experience? Mudaha. So maya samachanna means covered by maya, avarana part of the maya. Vikshepa is not there and avarana is fully active. So what is his state? Sanmatra. And on the sushupti, Jagrat Swapna Sushupti, we discussed elaborately in Siddhanta Bindu also. Sushuptiyaka Siddha. Sushuptiyaka Siddha because at that time I am Sanmatra. Whatever is added by waking, whatever is added by dream is all taken away in Sushupti. And the prajna itself is dissolved. So Vishwa is inactive, Vishwa is not there, Taijasa is not there, prajna is in the unmanifest state. Then what will remain? Sanmatra only. So that proves that even when all upadhis are not there and the experiencer has also gone to laya avastha, pramata, at that time I am still there. But I am not able to claim that I am in Sushupti because pramata is not there. And as soon as pramata comes back, pramata remembers what he was. What was he? Mudaha, mattaha, agnyaha. Pramata doesn't say, I am Brahma. Why? Because that is my Swarupa which was present even in Sushupti. Pramata immediately talks about himself. I am Mudaha. Means I was Muda at that time, slept like a log of wood, dead. Mattaha, like intoxicated. Agneha, totally ignorant. Iti eva maya veshat prakashate. Maya veshat means due to the entry, maya praveshat. So one is mayayaha praveshat, because maya has completely entered, or jiva has entered in maya, in avyakta swarupa. Sitika. Savasanasya manasah karanarupena avasthanam upasamhara. What is upasamhara or withdrawal? Being in the causal state. Savasanasya manasa, mind along with its vasana, karana rupena avasthanam, it remaining in the karana rupa, karana avastha. Karana rupena avasthanam upasamhara. This is called upasamhara. Sa yada bhavet tada asya atmanah sushupti riti kathyate. When that happens, then this is called sushupti. So even if it is said atmanah sushupti, atmanah means you have to understand this is for the samsari jiva sushupti, not Shuddha Chaitanya. In English translations, sometimes they give waking state of consciousness, dream state of consciousness. So consciousness cannot have states because consciousness is free from state. So their waking state, dream state, they are of the sentiency, not of consciousness. Of the jiva. Jiva gets the three states. Jiva is samsari, not Shuddha Chaitanya. Taduktam. And definition of Sushupti is given. Sarva prakara jnanopasamharo buddhehe karanatmana avasthanam sushuptihi iti. Sarva prakara jnana upasamhara. All types of knowledge at the buddhi level or at the indriya level, their shutdown, upasamhara, conclusion. Buddhehe karanatmana avasthanam, and buddhi remaining in karanatma, means in the causal state. This is called sushuptihi iti. So, all the samskaras which were given in the previous shloka, all the samskaras are also in causal state. But you can't say that samskaras in the causal state because the whole Brahmanda is in causal state in deep sleep. So, samskaras are otherwise in Sukshma Sharira. That's why samskara is in Antakarana. That is where Antakarana Parinama comes in Swapna. In Sushupti, samskaras are in Karana Avastha. But whole Brahmanda also is in Karana Avastha only. Because there is upasamhara of everything. Yasmadevam upadhigata vishesha avasthopadhika eva chidatmano jagradadi avasthaha. Since this is the case, yasmadevam upadhigata vishesha avastha upadhika eva chidatmano jagradadi avastha. So the waking etc. states of chidatma. So when you read the statement literally, chidatmanaha jagradadi avastha. So waking dream deep sleep state of consciousness. This is how the translation, literal meaning would be. But what you have to understand is waking dream deep sleep state of consciousness associated with buddhi and chidabhasa, not Shuddha Chaitanya. Yasmad evam upadhigata vishesha, and these are belonging to upadhigata vishesha. So the avastha, they are available only based on the special states of upadhi, of the conditionings. And upadhi association with Chaitanya is only due to Maya. Upadhinancha mayam vina chidatma sambandha abhavascha. Yasmat upadhinam cha mayam vina chidatma sambandha abhav. Without Maya means adhyasa. Without adhyasa, upadhi and chidatma cannot have sambandha. Chit sambandhopi nadhyasa dhrite tenaham advayah. Advaita Makarand. Chit sambandha, without adhyasa of jada and chit, their sambandha cannot be there without adhyasa. In Kshetra Kshetrajna Yoga, Bhagavan said that the क्षेत्र क्षेत्रज्ञ संयोगात तद्विद्धि भरतर्षभ. यावत् संजायते किंचित सत्वम स्थावर जंगमम. Whatever that is experienced, Sattvam, Sthavara Jangamam, anything, moving or non-moving, it is only due to Kshetra Kshetrajna Sanyoga. And that Sanyoga is only not Sanyoga Sambandha, not Samvaya Sambandha, it is Adhyasa only. And in Adhyasa Bhashya, Bhagavan beautifully presented, Dehendriyadishu aham mama abhiman rahitasya pramatratva anupapattau pramana pravritti anupapatte hai. In Deha Indriya, if aham mama abhiman is not there, then pramatratva will not be there, pramana pravritti will not be there. Nahi indriyani anupadaya pratyakshadi vyavahar sambhav. Pratyaksha vyavahar is not possible without indriya. And indriyas, their activity is not possible without body. न च अधिष्ठानम अंतरेण इंद्रियाणाम व्यापार संभवति न च अनध्यस्थ आत्मभावेन देहेन कश्चित् व्याप्रियते. So you need adhyasa with body, body having senses, senses associated with prana, etc., pramana to become pramata. So deha, indriya, aham, mama, abhiman is there in all. Then I become pramata, then pramana pravritti, etc. So all this is only due to adhyasa. Tasmadayam puman atma maya samachannah. Therefore this puman atma is covered by maya. Maya samachannah. Samavrita brahma bhavaha. His brahma bhava is completely covered. Means I have no idea that I am Brahma. In waking, dream, deep sleep, all three. Sanmatro asti iti eva. Sanmatra means asti, I am, asmi, aham asmi, bas. Only that is there, but I do not know. Asti iti eva vyavahar yogya matro vartate. This is one meaning. So he is present there only in the form of I am. यद्वा सन्मात्रो निर्विकल्पक सत्ता मात्रोपि अयम पुमान Sanmatra means nirvikalpaka satta matra. This atma, jivatma is there in that state. Nirvikalpaka satta matro api maya samachanno vartate iti yojana. Or when he is present in that sushupti, he is covered by maya. So nirvikalpa is there, but along with that mithya vikalpa of maya is also present. And what is the linga? How do you know that maya is there? Mudhoham, mattoham, agnyoham, in this way. Mudha, matta, agnya. स्वभावतः चिदानंद रूपे संदेह विपर्यास अज्ञान अविषये कथम अन्यथा भाव रूप मूढ़त्वादि अवतार इति भाव. इन शुद्ध चैतन्य आनंद रूप, हाउ कैन देयर बी मूढ़, मत्तता? और he may not say I am मूढ़, he will behave like मूढ़. He may not say I am agnya, he will behave like agnya. How? Running after Vishaya, not knowing that I am Ananda Swarupa, I will run here and there. I always give this example, means it is not my example, it is given in Chandogya Shruti. You imagine somebody who lives in village. In that house, below his house, in the ground, lot of wealth is already kept in pots, all gold coins and ornaments and everything. And everything is covered. This fellow doesn't sleep on bed, or they don't have bed. He sleeps on the floor, on a mat. Means he is so close to that treasure, which is right below him. But he is ignorant. So he is worried about money, food, protection, security, everything. So swabhavatah chidananda rupe. Sandeha means doubt, samshaya. Viparyasa, viparita bhavana. And ajnana, ignorance. Which is avishaya of Chaitanya. In Chaitanya, neither there is ajnanam possible, nor doubts, because sakshad aparoksha. And there is no possibility of viparya also, because we never say I am not. And yet there is anyatha bhava. So how is this possible? This is only possible because of maya. Katham anyatha bhava rupa mudhatvadi avatara. So this is what happens. Sarvada swaprakash chit sadananda eva atma iti atrapi lingamaha. And atma is always swaprakasha swarupa, chaitanya, sadananda swarupa. Eva atma iti. In this another linga is also given. Atrapi lingamaha. Sukhamaswapsamityevam. Sukhamaswapsamityevam prabodha samaye puman Satchidananda rupancha samyageva prakashate. Sukhamaswapsamityevam prabodha samaye puman Satchidananda rupancha samyageva prakashate. Prabodha samaye, when he wakes up, then he says Sukhamaham aswapsam iti puman Satchidananda rupam cha samyak eva prakashate. So when he wakes up, then he will first recollect that I slept very well and I was very happy. Sukhena, sukham aswapsam means I slept happily. So that Ananda is Satchidananda Swarupa, which is shining, because he is able to know what happened, he is able to know. So Jnanam is required. I was there is already there, so Sat is there. And Sukham is for Ananda. So Sukham, Anandam, Sat, Ananda, and its knowledge. I was happy, and I know that I was happy. So Satchid Ananda is revealed. What a beautiful thing. Ayam artha. Sukham iti स्वरूपम अनागंतुक स्वप्रकाश सदानंद रूपम परामृश्यते. Sukham aham aswapsam, in that is what? Swarupam, one's own true nature. Anagantuka swaprakash, not agantuka, not which has come and what will go away. Agantuka means having arrival. Anagantuka means not having arrival. It is always there. Swaprakash sadananda rupam. Swaprakash rupam swasya ananda rupam paramrishyate. It is recollected. Aswapsam iti upadhi upashamaha. Aswapsam is where all the upadhis have subsided. Aswapsam is swap dhatu, but swap dhatu you will, in the dhatu kosha, you will see it as shwip. So shwap is there, and in front you will see this ni. So nishwap. In this nishwap, in this way the dhatu will be lung lakar. Meaning is shay, at the time of sleep. In simple Sanskrit we say swap or swapiti. Aswapsam iti upadhi upashama. So all the upadhis have subsided. Now somebody will say, this sukham, where is it coming from? Nacha shushuptau agantukam sukham asti. So this sukham has not come from outside. It is not agantuka sukha. Why? Tat sadhana abhavat. Because there is no means for external sukha to appear. No vishayas are there, no indriyas are functioning, no pramata is there. How can external sukha be experienced? So it is not agantuka sukha from outside. Then maybe it is vyapara upashama sukham. Nacha vyapara upashama eva upadhi upashama kritaha sukha sadhanam. Because there is no activity, therefore there is sukham. Vyapara upashama sukham. He says, no, that is not true. Why? Because abhava of one thing cannot produce something. अन्य निवृत्ति मात्रेण अन्योत्पत्तेः अदृष्टचरत्वात् अभावात् भावोत्पत्तेः अनंगीकाराच्च. When there is nivritti of one, then utpatti of another is not seen. Anya nivritti matrena anya utpatti adrishtacharatva. So when one has withdrawn, another is born, this doesn't happen. And abhavat bhavotpatti. When there is abhava of one, there is bhava of another, anangikarat. This we don't accept. That means it is not that because there is no activity, that's why you are happy. It is not because sukham has come from outside. He gives third possibility. Maybe it is dukkha bhava only. Like somebody was carrying burden. Bags are there, they carry, and then they get to a point where they actually can put the bags down, and he feels so happy. What happened? Dukkha bhava only. The burden was there which he was carrying. Now it is not there. So nacha dukkha bhava eva sukha shabdena uchyate iti vachyam. Dukkha bhava eva sukha shabdena uchyate iti nacha vachyam. Don't say that also. Why? Tasya shushupta anubhava sadhana abhavat. If there is only dukkha abhava, who is experiencing dukkha abhava? Who knows that there is dukkha abhava? There is a knower. That is given here. Sushuptau anubhav sadhana. The means to experience that is not present. Ananubhutasya paramarsha yogat. And what is not experienced, you can't recollect. So only if I had experienced sukham in deep sleep, then only I can recollect. That's why in Siddhanta Bindu we saw it is the Sakshi which is illumining this avidya vritti. And there are three aspects in that. What are the three types of avidya vritti? One is sukhakara vritti. Another is this jnana vritti. Jnana vritti means asmi, aham asmi, that vritti. And third vritti is agnya, I do not know anything. Nacha idam saushupta dukkha bhavanumanam na smaranam iti vaktum yuktam. And this saushupta dukkha bhava anumanam, it is only anumanam, it is not smaranam. Iti na cha vaktum yuktam. And you can't say that this is only anumanam he is doing. It is not recollection. It is not smaranam. See, smaranam is when you experience, there is impression, samskara, and then you recollect. That is smaranam. Anumanam is you are inferring that I must have slept very well. So you see, if you have to do anumanam, you need hetu. Asmaryamanatvadehe vyavicharat. What is not recollected, in that there is vyavichara. And samagri abhavadescha asiddhehe iti vistritam anyatra iti etastam tavat. Samagri abhava. For anumanam, whatever samagri is needed, hetu is required, vyapti. So all those things, where are they available? So in this way, this is not a anumanam. This is a smaranam. Sukham aham aswapsam na kinchid avedisham. So the na kinchid avedisham is agnyoham. Sukham aswapsam, so sukham. And the sakshi is there as aham. So up to this we will see. That rest of the portion we will have to see tomorrow. Asmaryamanatvadehe vyabhicharat. About this little bit more details also we will see tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutravashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.